So, we studied two different aspects. First type was circles centered at some point and having a given radius. And we studied that how to form the equation, and we had certain number of problems. Then we studied how to find equation of circle when you are given diameter joining 2 points. And first equation was x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. And the equation having a given diameter was x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. And we had certain number of problems also. So if you go through all those equations, the basic formulae and the problems we have done, you just go through those problems, you can see that all those equations having an x square term, y square term is there, x term is there, y term is there, and a constant term is there. Further, we can notice that almost all problems are having coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square 1. And in certain one or two problems you can see that, and one problem I think coefficient of x square and y square was 4, and when I will do another problem the coefficient of x square and y square maybe 9 or so. I gave that problem, you have done, you can verify that. So in general we can say that if you want an equation of a circle, then there should be x square term, y square term, that should be a must, and their coefficients should be same. There may be x term, there may be constant term, there may be a y term. That's not compulsory, but there can be x term, there can be y term, there can be a constant term. So you have go through different types of equations. Let us generalize that. Suppose you want general equation of a circle. What we said, there should be an x square term, y square term should be there, x term should be there, y term should be there, 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square term, y square term, x term, y term, constant term equal to 0. General equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So if you can read this one, I'll rewrite this, 2fy equal to 0. So this is the general equation of a circle. From here you can find center as well as radius. So what was the basic form of center at hk, radius r, it will be of the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So I am rewriting the equation as x square plus 2gx plus y square plus 2fy equal to minus c. A square plus 2ab is there. If there is b square term also, then we can write that as a plus b whole square form. So for that, x square plus 2gx, I am adding g square. Y square plus 2fy, I am adding f square. And to balance that, I am adding on the right side also, g square plus f square minus c. What is this? X plus g whole square plus y plus f whole square equal to g square plus f square minus c. This can be written as x minus g whole square plus y minus f whole square equal to root of g square plus f square minus c the whole square. Now it is of the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to root of g square plus f square minus c whole square. So in place of h we have minus g, in place of k we have minus f, therefore center is minus g minus f. In place of r we have root of g square plus f square minus c, therefore radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. So general equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, which is centered at minus g minus f and with radius root of g square plus f square minus c. So you just go through this theory part. First understand it very well, then you copy down these things.